I am so excited for this video because I bought this nail art gel 12-piece set from AliExpress, and I know some people have some feelings about AliExpress, but I've been purchasing from them for 4 years now, or nearly 4 years, and have nothing but good experiences to say about them. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys these cool gels. You've probably seen a very established company come out with some gels nearly identical to this recently. So when I saw this, I don't want to call it a dupe because that would insinuate that it's like literally the same kind of product quality and all that. I don't know if it is. And if you don't know what I'm talking about the Kiara Sky Gel Art paints. Well, that price tag, let me tell you, I just about died. You can price your stuff at whatever you want, but I can choose to pay whatever I want. So this price tag was a lot more appealing to me because this, I paid, I think, a total of $32 for all 12 shades, which I'm going to be honest with y'all. These shades are the same exact colors that are in the Kiara Sky range. So, of course, I don't know if the quality is the same. I don't have the Kiara Sky ones to compare. I'm going to be quite honest. While I could afford, like I can pay, like in my bank account, I could buy the Kiara Sky ones based on what's in my bank account. But I don't want to because I think it's a little pricey. Anyways, so I'm just going to take these beautiful, gorgeous bottles out and then show you guys every single color and its pigment payoff. And if you're like, what the hell is so special about some skinny gel polish bottles? Let me tell you. I don't know if you're like me, but when I was in high school, I would go to Sally's Beauty and I would buy nail polish bottles that were like this skinny and everything, and they had the most wonderful striping brush. So it was a nice thin brush so that I could paint little designs on my nail. So I did that when I was in high school. I would do it on my nails, my toenails. Like, I just thought it was fun. So as you can already tell, this is pretty pigmented, y'all. And there is a lot of gel in here. So I'm just going to show you guys, like on my thumb right now, how it goes on. It goes from like thick to thin, like depending on the pressure that you apply from the brush to your nail. Just, it's so incredible. Okay, so I pulled out a swatch stick, and I think what I'm going to do is like the makeup gurus, they like do like line swatches. I think I'm going to do that. Again, like I said, I don't have the Kiara Sky ones to compare quality and tell you if these would be an adequate dupe for them. The ingredients are on the back here, so I will list this in the description box for in case anybody is interested in purchasing, so you know exactly what ingredients come in these bottles in case you're curious, you're allergic to certain ingredients, whatever the case may be. So I'm just going to start from 1 and work my way to 12. Whoa. Okay, that is pretty pigmented, even in just one swipe. I know I did 2, but look, it just, full coverage. That is incredible. Okay, so number 1 is, it just says number 1. It doesn't like list the color, but it's a pretty nice hot pink. I think that's a great color. Oh, these are so cool. And these would be awesome to do like French nail designs. Okay, so number 2, it looks to be a fuchsia in the bottle. Let's see if it actually looks that way when I open it. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. This is like Rondo Aurea from Rebel Nail. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I am drooling. This is a beautiful pinky red. It's like a more magenta shade. Okay, so number 2. I'm trying to make sure it's a nice thickness so that you can actually see the color on camera. Ooh, okay, that is nice. That's a beautiful color. Okay, so I'm gonna flash cure that. That's number 2. I'm just gonna go through all 12. So if you're someone that doesn't like to hear the commentary, I think I'll shut up now. Okay, so this is a different pink. I wonder how it compares to these. Okay, yeah, it's a different tone according to the bottles. I swear those are not the same to the naked eye. Okay, so this shade, ooh, it's more of a purpley color. Okay. Ooh, it's a peachy orange. Ooh, I like that. That's perfect. It's not too bright of an orange. Ooh, it's like a yellow green. It's not yellow, but it's not green. It's both. Ooh, my favorite color of the rainbow, blue. Ooh, yes, honey. Give it to me. Ooh, this will be the deal breaker for me, is how well this shows up. Oh my god. Because glitter gels can be a pain in the ass, it's a nice thin formula that's beautiful. It's a gorgeous silver. And then number 12 is a gold. I love that they included silver and gold in this set. Oh, it looks to be just like the silver in formula style. Oh, that's exciting. I'm trying to take off excess, and then oh, that's just so nice and pigmented in one stroke, y'all. What on earth? This is incredible. I love this. Okay, I think this is incredibly cool. I know if like you are someone who is anti-manufactured overseas, you would probably not pick this up, but I'm one of those people, like I work on my own nails. I don't really do other people's nails, so there's no reason for me to be anti-using those other products. Like I've used USA made products that I've been allergic to because guess what? My skin doesn't it doesn't show bias based on what country it's manufactured in. It really chooses what ingredient it is. It can be something manufactured in the USA and I'm gonna be allergic to it, really depending on the ingredient. I think this is an incredible range of colors and a really cool concept, especially since I had the polish style when I was in high school. I haven't really played with them yet since I was in high school. Like that's the last time I ever played with them. I think it's cool that these are a thing. So here, let me pull this out and show you guys the colors all over again. So I guess I should turn it this way. So 1 through 12, you have, I do wish there was more variety in these. Like there was a purple instead of like a pinky purple. I do wish there was a purple. I know, I don't like purple and I'm wishing there was a purple. I do wish there was like other colors like browns and stuff like that, but I'm sure as time goes on and people start purchasing more of these, then more shades will come into play. But then of course I can mix my own, but that defeats the purpose, right? Anyways, I think this is really, really, really cool. I love this. And I know that you can like definitely use your own gel polish bottles, but these are just basically a thicker formula. Let me see, should I top coat this? I probably should, right? I'm just gonna throw a top coat on this and talk while I top coat. Yeah, so I know that you can definitely use a striping brush from whatever company you have. I'm just gonna go over the whole thing. And then use your own gel polish bottles or pots. Like this is nothing new in terms of nail art and being able to get thin lines and designs. This is just a more convenient way of doing line art and designs. Like it takes out the extra step of having to use a jar and clean your brush and all that stuff. And this again was only $32 for me. I don't know if AliExpress changes their prices like Amazon would. Ooh, I wonder if this is available on Amazon. Ooh, I'm gonna actually go check after I finish this video and see if I can find a set on Amazon. I mean, I doubt it. Kiara Sky would probably come after an Amazon-based company for releasing it, I bet. Or a USA-based company. But I'm just gonna go top coat this. And yeah, if you guys liked this video and if you want to see designs like using this like cool set, definitely drop a comment below. Let me know, hit me up, all the things. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.